Man, I wonder where soap and bread are.
Oh, hi. Hi, Robeer. How you doing?
Hey guys, sorry I was late. I had to escape somebody eating me. And I only got one bite, luckily. Hey, have you guys heard of that new serial killer in town?
No, what's his name?
I heard he's a TV remote killer.
Wait. Well, let's hope that he's not near us.
Yeah, that would be horrible.
Well, luckily, we're probably going to be able to see him if he comes near us.
Did you guys hear something?
Nope, nothing. At least I didn't hear it.
Hey, what's your name?
I think that's the remote control killer.
The end.